This video will show you how to use the video conference link inside of your Blackboard course. Inside of every CSU East Bay course shell, you will see a video conference link. On the left-hand side of the menu, if you go ahead and click on that link, you will see a Getting Started sections for instructors only. You can see that this item is hidden from students because these directions only apply to faculty and staff here at Cal State East Bay. And the first thing you'll want to do is activate your Zoom account if you don't already have one. And to do this, you'll want to click here. So I'm going to click here, and it's going to open into our Zoom landing page, csueb.zoom.us. And I'm going to click on this red button that says Sign In. And it's going to prompt me to enter my NetID and my password. And then I'm going to click on Login. And now I can see that I have my upcoming meetings and my actual Zoom landing page. So I know that I've authenticated my account. So I'm going to close this page and go back to my Blackboard course. So I have completed my step 1. For further assistance, there are directions here for setting up course links and a video tutorial if you do have questions. And then down here, there's actually a Student Start Here section. So students can watch a video tutorial and they can read about how to get started with Zoom. Or students and yourself can simply click on this Zoom video conference link. And when I click on this link, it will open in a new window, and I will want to click Launch to actually begin my meeting. And it will ask me if I would like to join the meeting, and I'm going to click this blue Join Meeting button to actually get into my Zoom meeting. Now I can see that Zoom is being launched, and then it will open right up, and I am in my Zoom meeting. And I can see my Zoom meeting ID at the top, and I can use that to invite others to my Zoom meeting as well.